Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Fiat 1.5 turbo Firefly engine is a newer and less commonly discussed variant within the global small engine, GC, or Firefly family, building on the success of the 1.0L and 1.3-liter versions. It's primarily seen in hybrid applications and represents Fiat and Stellantis's push towards electrification while still utilizing internal combustion. History and versions. Introduction. The 1.5 turbo Firefly, often referred to as 1.5 T4, appeared more recently, around 2022, specifically in conjunction with mild hybrid, MHEV, and potentially plug-in hybrid, PHEV systems. This marks a strategic shift for Fiat and Stellantis to combine their advanced Firefly internal combustion engines with electric assistance to meet increasingly stringent emission regulations. Technology. It shares many core technologies with its 1.0L and 1.3-liter Firefly siblings, but often incorporates specific features for hybrid integration. Direct fuel injection, DI standard for modern efficiency. Multi-Air 3. The latest generation of Fiat's electro-hydraulic valve actuation for intake valves, optimizing combustion and efficiency. Turbocharging generally features a variable geometry turbo, VGT, in some higher output versions, e.g., in the Alfa Romeo Tonale Hybrid VGT, which offers even better responsiveness across the rev range compared to fixed geometry turbos. Miller cycle. Often some 1.5-liter versions are designed to operate on a Miller cycle, where the intake valve closes later than in a conventional Otto cycle. This effectively reduces the compression ratio during the intake stroke, which helps combat knocking, pre-ignition, and improves fuel efficiency at certain loads, especially when combined with turbocharging. Belt starter generator, BSG, or electric motor integration. This is a key differentiator. The 1.5-liter Firefly is typically part of a mild hybrid system, often incorporating a 48V belt starter generator, BSG, that assists the engine, allows for extended start and stop, provides torque fill, and can even offer a brief electric boost. In more advanced applications, like some PHEVs, it's paired with a larger electric motor. Gasoline particulate filter, GPF essential for meeting the latest emission standards. Power outputs. The 1.5 turbo Firefly typically offers outputs around 130 HP, 96 kilowatts, for mild hybrid versions, and higher for more integrated hybrid systems, e.g. 160 HP in the Alfa Romeo Tonale Hybrid VGT, or significantly more when combined with electric motors and PHEV setups like the Tonale plug-in hybrid, where the engine might contribute 180 HP to a combined 275 HP. Applications. It is primarily found in newer Stellantis models, including Fiat Tipo Hybrid 2022 Plus, Fiat 500X Hybrid 2022 Plus, Alfa Romeo Tonale Hybrid and Plug-in Hybrid, Dodge Hornet R and T, PHEV. Key characteristics: 1.5 turbo Firefly. Engine layout: inline 4-cylinder. Displacement: 1,469 cubic centimeters, 1.5 liter. Valves: 16 valve for valves per cylinder, DOHC with multi-air 3 on intake. Fuel delivery: direct injection DI. Valve control: multi-air 3, electro-hydraulic on intake valves, potentially incorporating Miller cycle operation. Block material: cast iron, often with aluminum inserts. Head material: aluminum. Timing chain. Review and opinions. The 1.5 turbo Firefly, especially in its hybrid guise, aims to be a smooth, efficient, and adequately powerful engine for compact to mid-size vehicles. Advantages: smooth and refined. As a 4-cylinder, it offers inherent smoothness and less vibration than 3-cylinder engines. The integration with a mild hybrid system can further enhance refinement, particularly during start-stop operations and low-speed driving. Good torque and responsiveness. The combination of turbocharging and electric assistance from the BSG provides excellent low-end torque and responsive acceleration, making it feel capable even in heavier vehicles. The VGT versions offer even broader power delivery. Improved fuel efficiency, especially in hybrid apps. The hybrid integration allows for electric assistance during acceleration, regenerative braking, and extended engine off periods, sailing and coasting, significantly improving real-world fuel economy compared to a non-hybrid equivalent, particularly in urban driving. Reduced emissions. Designed to meet the latest emission standards, the direct injection, multi-air 3, GPF, and hybrid technology contribute to lower CO2 and pollutant emissions. Timing chain. A key advantage for long-term ownership, as timing chains generally last the life of the engine, reducing periodic maintenance costs. Electric assist benefits. The mild hybrid system provides torque fill to smooth out turbo lag, makes the start-stop system much smoother and faster, and can offer a small power boost. Disadvantages. Complexity. Being a turbocharged, direct-injected, multi-air equipped, and hybrid engine, it's a highly complex powertrain. This complexity means more potential points of failure and potentially higher diagnostic and repair costs if issues arise. Cost. Vehicles equipped with this engine, especially with hybrid technology, tend to be more expensive upfront. Sensitivity to oil quality. The multi-air 3 system remains sensitive to the correct type and quality of engine oil. Neglecting oil specifications or extended change intervals can lead to expensive multi-air unit failures. Potential for GPF and DI carbon buildup. While multi-air 3 helps, direct injection engines are still prone to carbon buildup on intake valves over time, and GPFs can clog if regeneration cycles are not completed regularly, e.g., due to excessive short-distance driving. Newer technology, less long-term data. As a relatively recent engine, its long-term reliability profile is still being established compared to older, more proven designs. Common faults and breakdowns. As the 1.5 turbo Firefly is a newer engine, extensive long-term fault data is still emerging. However, based on its technology and shared components with other Firefly engines. Multi-air unit issues. Despite being multi-air 3, the system's reliance on precise oil flow means that incorrect oil or prolonged oil change intervals can still lead to malfunctions, misfires, power loss, engine light. Turbocharger problems. Standard for turbocharged engines. Wear and tear, oil supply issues, or foreign object damage can lead to turbocharger failure, signaled by power loss, abnormal noises, or smoke. GPF clogging. Like other modern petrol engines with GPFs, frequent short trips or failure to achieve proper operating temperatures can lead to the GPF becoming clogged, reducing performance and triggering warning lights. Oil consumption. Some reports, as with other Firefly engines, of higher than expected oil consumption, especially during the break-in period. Regular oil level checks are prudent. Hybrid system component issues. As with any hybrid, potential issues could arise with the BSG, belt starter generator, unit, 48V battery, or associated power electronics, though these are typically separate from the core internal combustion engine. Timing chain wear less likely, but possible while a timing chain is generally durable. Issues like stretching or tensioner problems can occur over high mileage or due to lubrication issues. Fuel consumption. The 1.5 turbo Firefly, especially in its mild hybrid form, boasts competitive official WLTP fuel consumption figures. For example, in models like the Fiat Tipo Hybrid or 500X Hybrid, combined figures can be in the range of 5.0 to 6.0 liters per 100 kilometers, approximate 47 to 56 miles per gallon imperial. Real-world consumption will vary based on driving style, traffic conditions, and vehicle load. The hybrid system is particularly effective in urban settings, allowing for more electric-only driving and seamless start-stop. On highways, the benefits are less pronounced, and consumption will depend more on the engine's direct efficiency. Timing. The Fiat 1.5 turbo Firefly engine uses a timing chain. This is a significant design choice for improved long-term reliability and reduced maintenance burden, as timing chains are designed to last the engine's lifetime under normal operating conditions. Unlike timing belts, they generally do not require periodic replacement intervals. Oil type and change interval. Oil type. This is paramount. The 1.5 turbo Firefly, with its direct injection, multi-air 3, and GPF, demands specific, high-quality, fully synthetic engine oil. The most common viscosity is likely 0W20 or 0W30, and it must meet the latest Stellantis and Fiat specifications, such as Fiat 9.555 35GSX or Fiat 9.555 35DSX for engines with GPF and multi-air, which are low SAPs, sulfate ash, phosphorus, sulfur, oils designed to protect the exhaust after-treatment systems. Always consult the vehicle's owner's manual for the exact and most current specification. Change interval. While manufacturer intervals might be up to 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers, 12,000 to 18,000 miles, or 12 months. Due to the engine's advanced technology and the demands of direct injection, turbocharging, and multi-air, it is highly recommended to adopt a more conservative oil change schedule. Many specialists suggest intervals of 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers, 6,000 to 9,000 miles, or annually, whichever comes first, especially if the car is used for short urban trips or under heavy loads. Regular monitoring of the oil level between services is also crucial. Overall opinion: the Fiat 1.5 turbo Firefly engine, particularly in its mild hybrid configurations, represents a modern and promising direction for Fiat and Stellantis. It offers a good balance of power, refinement, and improved real-world fuel efficiency, especially in urban scenarios, compared to older non-hybrid turbocharged engines. The timing chain is a welcome feature for durability. However, like all technologically advanced engines, it demands diligent maintenance, with a particular emphasis on using the correct, specified engine oil and adhering to frequent oil change intervals. Owners who neglect these aspects risk costly issues with the multi-air system or other components. If properly cared for, the 1.5 turbo Firefly is a competitive and capable powertrain for the current automotive landscape. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.